Hi family, I hope you're having a beautiful day. Welcome or welcome back. I'm so glad you're here. Today I want to talk about perfectionism and how it is keeping you from your manifestations, okay? So I struggled with perfectionism for a really long time, to tell you the truth. I still kind of do and have to manage, but starting this journey has created leaps and bounds for me to get over that, okay? And the reason is because it's all about documenting your journey and also what you feel worthy of. Perfectionism can really come from a wound, right? But the thing is you don't need that perfect body, that perfect mindset. You don't need the money. You don't need any of that just to get started. And that is really the point that I want to get across. It is about documenting your journey and digging up the keys and just starting, okay? Nobody is perfect when they start out. It's just that you have to take it one day at a time. So my name is Lindsay. I'm an entrepreneur. I'm in love with self-development and spiritual development. If you're ready to get started with passive income, an online business of your own, you can get started as a complete beginner, just like I did. You can go faceless if you want. You don't need any products of your own or anything like that, and there's something there for everyone. You'll find that link in my About section, and I'll link it in this video as well. And there's also an incredible book to upgrade spiritually. Make sure you read it more than once. And anything else for spiritual and self-development you're going to find in my videos. So let's go ahead and get a little bit deeper into this. So perfectionism can look a lot like freeze state, which I spent many years in this state, fight, flight, or freeze without even knowing it, which is why it kind of looks similar to perfectionism. It kind of keeps you from starting, which is why just documenting your progress and just building that bridge little by little every day is what matters. And also, people care about relatability and authenticity, and why they love it when people document their progress, document their journey, and it just really shows others that, hey, if they can do it, I can do it, right? And I've also hit the refresh on this lesson that the keys are in our discomfort, okay? Humans need change as much as we don't like it. It is literally how we become who we want, just a little bit at a time. And when you're so focused on that, the outcome that you want eventually comes, okay? But the keys are in the discomfort. You don't have to take it on all at once. All you have to do is start, okay? And if you're thinking about YouTube, by the way, this is the perfect time to get on. And again, you can go faceless. What do you want to talk about? Don't focus on it being perfect. I mean, my gosh, just save your videos if you want. That way you can just do it for yourself a little bit every day, and then when you're ready you can go ahead and post. But I still say just go ahead and do it, because you get better every single time, okay? Don't hold yourself back. Make room, okay? The universe is so abundant, okay? Take up your space. And I want to be clear that you document your progress for you, not for anyone else, although other people get the gift as well by you healing yourself, by you healing that imposter syndrome, that perfectionist quality belief about yourself that's just an illusion. You of course help others in the process too, okay? But you do document your progress absolutely for yourself, so that you can see how far you're coming every single day, okay? And the other thing about being a perfectionist is this illusion of control, right? That's all you're hanging on to. But let me tell you, losing control is the best part, okay? Lose your mind, find your heart, find yourself, okay? So we know that perfectionism is a belief, right? So that's really what we need to do, is correct that belief, shed the old one and correct and create a new one, right? So how you do this is by oversaturating your mind with the new story all day, every day until it sticks. And believe me, it will. It's all about consistency and repetition. But first, you have to become hyper aware of your thoughts and particularly how you speak about your situation, your life, your being, who you are all day, every day. And as soon as you have a negative thought, either about yourself or your situation, create a new story right then and there, and then you repeat that every single day. And what begins to happen is the old belief gets shed, even if it's not here yet, because the belief has to come first. Then when that belief sticks, all of a sudden you get this excited feeling, and it hasn't even come yet, but it's because it's literally right around the corner. Okay, so oversaturate your mind with the new you, the new story. Every time you have a negative thought, see it as an opportunity and tell yourself a new story. Okay, and you keep doing that on repeat every single day, and when the belief sticks, reality changes. Okay, and I know how overwhelming it can be. I really feel like we get stuck in these mental prisons where we feel like, oh my gosh, okay, yeah, I really, really want this. I want to be that, but I'm going to have to do all this work, all this XYZ to get there. It's just not true. You already are that. You just have to build that bridge one little bit at a time every day, and also have this incredible deep-seated belief not to forget how easily and effortlessly source can take you there. Don't limit the universe, okay? You already are that. It's just all about becoming that, so that everything on the outside that you want changes and you get exactly what you deserve, what you want, and even more. Okay, and don't forget not to compare in the process. Okay, your journey is just that. It is yours. Okay, you have to lose your mind, quiet your mind, find your heart, and there you will find yourself. Okay, do it without comparison. You can learn from others, you can be inspired by others, but always remember that if they can do it, you can do it. Because I know perfectionism comes with a lot of comparison, but again, there's just nothing to compare to. There's no competition. We are all walking each other to our own center stage. Okay, I love you so much. I'll always be here to hold your hand. I am so happy to do this right alongside you, just like that, right alongside you. Okay, so I love you. I am sending you just a big, big hug. Honestly, that's what I'm sending. Okay, I love you, and I will see you in the next one. Okay.